Hey guys, welcome to Code Tuning Forever channel. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to create your own database like SQLite from scratch by using Golang. So in this first video, I'm going to teach you how a database is structured in terms of system design and how to create a command line for calling our own database. So the architecture of SQLite is structured as you can see. Our application has a front end, a back end, as well a database has a front end where you make a query that goes through a chain of components in order to retrieve or modify data. The front end consists of the tokenizer that receives SQL text and is converted into a list of tokens. So that tokens is passed to the parser that it assigns meanings to tokens based on their context. So it creates a syntax tree that is passed to the code generator. So then it converted syntax tree to a bytecodes that performs the work of the SQL statements. So the front end passes the bytecode to the virtual machine that takes the bytecode generated by the front end as instructions. It can perform operations on one or more tables, which is stored in a data structure called as B-tree. So the B-tree consists of many nodes. Every node has one page, and it can retrieve a page from disk or serve it back to the disk. So the pager receives commands to read or write pages of data. It's responsible for reading and writing at appropriate offsets in the database file. So the last layer is the OS interface. That is the layer that differs depending on which operating systems SQLite was compiled for. In this course, I'm not going to support multiple platforms. So let's first make a simple REPL, that is a command line for our database. So SQLite has this command line as you may know. So SQLite starts a read executing loop when you started from the command line. So with no more delays, let's get started implementing our code. So as you can see, our code will be structured in the following way: the entry point, the main goal, and our read execute print loop. So let's first create our interface. Remember to keep using the abstraction. And then create our structure that implement the interface function. Let's create this function that returns R as object for that interface. Okay, let's implement the method for that interface. So this one will be running in an infinite loop, receiving instruction from the command line. So I have to import some packages. Move IO foreign from the command line format for printing the OS to call the std in functions. So let's print simple symbol in our command line, and then read a string from the command line, check if doesn't exist any error, otherwise we print that error. Next line, and then continue looping. And then we have to remove the new line characters by subtracting 2 characters, and then if the input is equal to exit, we just print a message. Then break the infinite loop, otherwise we're gonna pass that value to other function. So let's create this function. Just receive a string and then execute some operations in the future. So let's move on to our main, the endpoint. Okay. Was let's call let's import our implementation cmd report when call the infinity loop, and then when the loop is exited, we can print a simple message. Goodbye. And use the exit from OS. So let's run it. So as you can see, we are setting our command line. So, in the next video, we want to continue creating more components in our database. So thanks for joining me. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you.